Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your MSI monitor brightness grayed out. So here's a fix for your HDR or mode conflict as well as to unlock your OSD. Fix 1. Turn off your HDR. On Windows, press Windows plus I to open settings. Go to System and select Display. Select your MSI monitor. Turn HDR off. Open the monitor's OSD menu and check if brightness is available. Fix 2. Change the picture mode. Press the monitor's OSD joystick or button. Open Professional or Image settings. Change the picture mode to User, Standard, or Custom. Check if the brightness option is no longer grayed out. Fix 3. Turn off auto brightness feature. Features like AI vision, auto brightness, or dynamic contrast can disable manual brightness control. Open the monitor's OSD menu. Go to Gaming, Professional, or Image settings. Turn AI vision, auto brightness, or any dynamic contrast to off. Try adjusting brightness again. Fix 4. Disable night vision. Open the OSD menu. Go to Gaming, set night vision to off. Check the brightness setting. Fix 5. Reset the monitor. Open the OSD menu, go to Settings, select Reset or Factory Reset. Confirm the reset and check brightness again. Fix 6. Update the monitor firmware. If the issue continues, you need to install the latest firmware for your MSI monitor from the official MSI support website. Firmware updates can fix display settings bug. Fix 7. Restart your PC and the monitor. Turn off your computer and monitor. Unplug the monitor's power cable for 30 seconds. Plug it back in and turn everything on. Check if brightness is available. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.